Hi friends, welcome to AK Arts. Today we are making 3 super cute decorations using colorful Orbeez. For this we need water, glass jar and colorful Orbeez. First take some dry Orbeez and pour them into a big bowl of water. Now time to soak the flower Orbeez. Leave them in water for about 4 to 6 hours. Wow! Look how giant and squishy they became. Now drain the extra water and your Orbeez are ready. Now take a clear glass bottle. Add colorful Orbeez layer by layer. I am using orange, yellow, green and blue. Add a little water to prevent the Orbeez from shrinking. Yay! Our first bottle decoration is done. Now let's make a beautiful flower jar. Move the flowers around until they look nice and pretty. Aww, it looks like a magical flower vase. To make a plant jar, place a small plant into the jar. Look at our amazing Orbeez decorations. Which one was your favorite? Tell me in the comments. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends who love cute DIY crafts. Bye!